Check out this great new listing on Timicuan Way in Summerville. It's in Wescott. It's a one-story ranch home with a bonus room that has its own full bathroom. It's on the golf course. It's been meticulously maintained. The owners have put in new carpeting, new flooring in the kitchen and master bathroom. As you walk in, this is the office with French doors. You have the family room, eat-in kitchen, formal dining room. The home is all open, lots of light. It's a split plan. So on to the right is your master bedroom. You have double doors here leading into the master bath. You have a walk-in shower, garden tub, huge walk-in closet, dual sinks. They added windows to make this all seasons room, and it has its own AC unit out here. It's on the golf course at Wescott. They put up this nice fence in the back. Here's your eat-in breakfast room again. Kitchen. Lots of cabinets. And to the left side of the home are 2 bedrooms that are decent sizes with their own bathroom. And off of the kitchen is the laundry room, which leads to the garage. And have the steps as your bonus room, which would be a great in-law suite or a guest suite. So, bedroom with a full bath. There's the 2-car garage.